So LookUP is simply a programme of meaningful business lessons that we've mined from the best and the brightest people and companies in our industry, and then we share them at scale with our future leaders.
So diversity and inclusion are really important for us as a business, and that's why when Mediacom approached us to be launch partners, we jumped at the chance. So we're really proud to be inaugural partners for LookUP for this programme in the region.
All you need to do as a first step is understand that we all have biases, and then take some very simple steps to manage that. And we spend a fair bit of time in the workshop actually going through the proofs and the examples that show the impact that not managing bias can potentially have on a business.
We are the ones who are going to start this domino effect of change, and being aware of our own biases is the first step to do that.
Being part of the LookUP event is very important in order so that we can understand how we can help others.
It's great to know how many types of biases exist and at what scale does it exist around the world, and what kind of action points should be in place to fix all these kind of biases.
It's important for our industries because it helps to generate conversations around topics that we normally don't really talk about.
I think it's very important to see different insights and different perspectives. I think that's the most important thing about working together.
It helps me to understand more about the industry, and it helps me to grow personally and professionally.
Having this very open concept allows us to really uncover the truth or challenges that we may face in the workplace.
We want to attract and retain the best talent, and I think one of the ways to do that is to manage our biasness and be aware of how we speak and perceive people.
LookUP is a very natural fit for Mediacom because our ethos is people first, and at the heart of LookUP is an inclusive programme to welcome everybody, to help them with the lessons that they need to accelerate in their own careers. So it really is putting people at the heart of this programme.
We're really excited to have finally kicked off LookUP. We've had tremendous support so far from the industry, and we have an amazing lineup of content and partners for next year.